filmed it when we were driving around. What the fuck am I talking about?
Drop it.
I'm recording. I'm recording the activity.
Sit. Graham, sit. Sit. Good girl.
Good girl.
That's Top Knot Leah and Graham. And he's throwing his shit at me. So I wanted to show you this progress down here. Look at that. It's the church of the Oppenheimer Ranch Project. What's your shirt say?
Give no fucks. What's yours say?
Happy Echo Ranch. I got that on film.
Great.
So this is where we're going to store the sawmill on a trailer, and probably not use it as a sawmill, but it will be definitely another barn. It's going to be wainscoting up the side, probably all steel building. This is what we're going to use as the siding right here, babe.
Yeah.
I bought it all when I was at Durango Salvage because it was all matched.
Yeah.
And then, so this section here is going to have a barn roof that comes all the way out to the end of the greenhouse. And I was just discussing with the timber framer how we're going to span this, because it's going to be holding a lot of weight, a gigantic roof. And so what we're going to do is put in maybe some 10-inch poles, or maybe just try to do it on these 6s, and run a laminated 2x12, doubled up. So it'll be with some strand board in between, glued and screwed. So in the end it'll be about a 3x12, probably 3.5x12. And that's how that will be spanned. So we'll show you how that's going to happen. And this is an open truss system with lap. It's lapped at the top, meaning that these are both half cut up top here and lapped over. It's just a way to do a really steep pitch open truss. The edges here are all notched. And we're going to have a little Nordic flare, and we're going to have a 24-inch kickoff here. And you'll all see that when it happens. But we're about to go across, check on the progress of the pond filling in a moment. That's our plan. Give you one more shot of the church.
It takes all night for that cold air on the divide to come down.
It's weird at night.
There she is.
That flow.
Good flow. So this is probably the fifth tank full. And we've now buried the rock clearly. Here's our marker stone the other day. It's now submerged. I'll bring you in on it. So the marker is fully submerged, and my new marker this morning is this boulder. And it is now about 2 inches submerged. And the system is rapidly filling. It's now going to take a little longer because the whole system is filling. Even the dog is filling up. Get it! What'd you say? Yeah, so we got some good, we got equilibrating happening, so the rest of this system is filling. We're far from the next pipe though. That'll take a day. So I got to come up a foot in here, and then we'll be filling the third part of the system. So baby steps. But the water's flowing. Top knot is yoing.
Born to farm.
Born to farm.